Hi, we are still Las Vegas, and in this video we are going to be talking about some of the most romantic locations in Las Vegas. These locations would all make a perfect Valentine's Day date. We upload new Las Vegas videos every week, so be sure to subscribe for more, and remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it.
Let's start off with the number one most obvious location, the Bellagio Fountains. This is a very romantic area as the fountains are beautiful to watch and there are so many viewing areas around the Bellagio lake, so there will always be plenty of room for you and your date. Most people choose to stand in one of the many viewing areas directly on the strip. However, we would like to recommend two more secluded areas. One of these being on the raised walkway that leads from the strip to the Bellagio Hotel. We actually got engaged here. And the other is a really lovely viewing platform near the front door area of the Bellagio.
Next up, we're sticking with the Bellagio but now going inside to the Bellagio Conservatory, a beautiful indoor botanical garden full of amazing floral displays and sculptures. The conservatory changes up its displays every season, so you will most likely always see a different display each time you visit. This place really does make for a lovely romantic area to take a walk with your date.
At 3 is the Venetian Hotel. This is a romantic location that makes a pretty amazing date. The Venetian Hotel has its very own canal where you can take a gondola ride. The gondola ride is so romantic, as you can be alone on your own boat with a gondolier who will sing their heart out for you, and also the gondoliers tend to ask you to kiss each time the boat passes under a bridge, which is quite often. The hotel also has a lovely themed shopping mall area and lots of great bars and restaurants.
Now we are going from Italy to France. Did you know Las Vegas has its very own Eiffel Tower? Well, that is the next romantic location. The Eiffel Tower in Las Vegas offers spectacular views over the strip. It also has a restaurant level which has great views too, especially if you get a window table. A very popular proposal location.
Another very romantic restaurant is Prime Bellagio, a steakhouse located on the Bellagio lake with an outdoor terrace where you can get a table right next to the fountains. The food here is of a very high standard and it has a lovely romantic atmosphere.
Now if you prefer a really quiet location for a date, somewhere secluded where you can have a walk or just sit and relax with your date, the Flamingo Hotel has a wildlife habitat in its back garden. This always seems to be quiet, but it's a lovely well-kept area with real flamingos, koi fish and lots of little garden areas where you can walk or just relax.
Of course, Vegas has many more romantic locations and restaurants, including parts of Wynn, the Cosmopolitan and many more, but the ones we have mentioned are pretty amazing and we hope you enjoy visiting them. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up, and remember we create lots of Vegas videos, so please check out our channel and subscribe for more videos.